Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps for how to set up an Apple wireless keyboard with your Windows PC. I did just post this on my blog, so if you want to follow along that way. Otherwise, I'm going to take you through the steps so that you can use your command on the keyboard and also the media keys, any other functions you'd like to use. So first, you're going to want to go to autohotkey.com. And I will post that blog link in the description and this one. And you're going to want to download a version 1, even though it is deprecated. This is the version that I'm using. And you're going to want to install that with just the default settings. So after you have downloaded AutoHotkey, you're going to want to open Notepad or your favorite code editor. Select all of this code script. Copy it. Paste it in. Do a file. Save as. Find a location on your computer. I'm going to call this Apple Media Keys. And this is where you need to type in the extension, which is .ahk for AutoKeys script. For save as type, this is really important. You don't want to save it as a text file. So select all files. Again, taking note of where you're saving this file. Click save. Navigate to the location where you saved the file and double click on it. And in your system tray, you should see AutoHotkeys app open, and go ahead and test your keys. All right, I've got my volume keys. That's one of my top used, or my pause play. Now that we have it running successfully, we want to add this script to startup so I don't have to manually open this every time. By pushing your Windows R key, or going to Windows and Run, you're going to want to type in shell :startup. Click OK. And that's going to open your Windows startup folder. And wherever that is on your computer, you're going to want to copy and paste that file into your startup folder. Next, you're just going to restart your PC and check that in your task manager. You right click on the taskbar. You should be able to see AutoHotkey running. And in startup apps, you should see Apple Media Keys enabled. I was using this other app previously and it stopped working. This has been successful and much easier to use. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.